months away, but Tampa officials are getting ready right now and rolling out a new plan for this year. Rod Carter's live on Davis Islands tonight with what the city's doing. And Rod, it's kind of hard saying 3 months away to hurricane season. Sounds like we just finished it off not long ago.
Yeah, it seems like it really did just end, but there's never too soon. It's never too soon to actually prepare. And as you guys know, Tampa has been spared a direct hit from a hurricane for the past 9 decades. But if we were to get hit, areas like this, Davis Island, would likely flood. And if they do, that is when these are going to become a necessity. Cameron Ross and her mom, Mary Kay, have lived on Davis Islands for decades. They've seen their share of storms, but
we've never seemingly had to evacuate.
Hurricane Irma was a close call for the Rosses and really everyone in Tampa.
Although we have not been hit with a direct hit in over 90 years, it is going to happen at some point, and we need to be prepared.
And now it's going to be easier for police to spot who belongs where after a storm hits. Today, they announced they will be sending out these very brightly colored hang tags for people to place in their cars. So after an evacuation order is lifted, they can get back home with no problem.
In the event, if we have a major storm, significant flooding, and we have to shut down an evacuation area and make sure it's all clear before we allow people back in, you'll be able to use this hang tag to get back into your neighborhood.
Not everyone is going to receive one of these because not everyone is in an evacuation zone. But if you get it, whatever you do, do not throw it out.
It's very important that we have everyone take a look at these envelopes and that they do not throw it away. It is not a junk mailer. It's very important that they take a look at that, and then we're asking that you put it in a glove box.
The Rosses agree it's a needed program. And again, these are those hang tags. They'll start mailing these out on Monday, the 4th of March. About 70,000 of them are going to go out to residents in the city of Tampa. Cannot stress this enough. Pay close attention to the envelope. It may look like junk mail, but it's not. Do not throw these away. They want to make sure that everybody takes them, puts them in the glove compartment, and hangs onto them just in case, Josh, they need them.